$300 in one single day. Whoa. Hello beautiful people, Julia here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, the Julia Inspired Lifestyle channel. And on this channel, I talk about all the things you need to know to learn how to earn money, how to save money, and how to invest and multiply your money, specifically in stocks. I am a stockaholic. $300 in one single day. Whoa, fantastic. Like, what will a life look like if you just earned a $300 in a single day? Like, can you think of the things you're going to do? Think of so many things you're going to do with it. Like, I'm so excited to share how I actually made $300 in one day. If you're going to stick around to the end, you will learn all the secrets. Like, I'm going to spill everything because I want you to learn how to make money online. Hello family, this is Julia. Welcome back. If you're a returning customer, thank you so much. If you're new, I celebrate you and I love you. Thank you for coming into my space today. Thank you for watching this video. And just to let you know, we have so many other fantastic, valuable educational videos that will literally change your life. Like, our videos are transformational. Trust me, if you watch one, you'll definitely be convinced 100%. Okay, so this is the Julia Inspired Lifestyle channel, and 3 major things I do here. I talk about how to earn money and how you can save money, and finally how you can multiply money by investing. So today I want to talk about how I earned $300 in one day. Like, I have always wanted to share everything I do, so I don't talk about things I don't do. I tell you the things I've done and it has given me results, and I will literally come and share with you. If you're open to watch all my videos, trust me, your life will move from 0 to like 80%. Yeah, so in today's video, I'm going to walk you through all you need to do to start working in the stock market and what you're going to do to earn $300 in a day, making use of the volatility in the market right now. So I'm happy, but I want to ask, first of all, have you subscribed to this channel? If you're new, please click on that red subscribe button and hit the notification bell. It is free. It's not going to take a single money from your pockets, and it gives me the motivation and encouragement to come and do videos for you. And thirdly, it will help YouTube to show this video to more people, so that people like you who just bumped into this video today, you can literally send other people, like help other people to see this video. And please share this video when you watch till the end. Please watch till the end and share this video to your friends. You will be blessing their life. Share valuable content with them. All right, so I've received so many comments. Sometimes people send messages to me asking me like, I am so exhausted while working. Is this how I'm going to keep living my life? And I tell them there is an easier path that you can take, and it's easier when you're working and you can take out a certain amount of money to do this. So today is going to be a very interesting topic. Do you even want to earn up to $300 in a day? Ask yourself, how bad do you want it? Like, how do you really want it? Like, how do you want to send your money to go on an errand and make money for you while you just cross your leg and focus on other things in your life? That's what I'm talking about. So somehow it's quite simple, but if it is really that simple, why is it that everyone is not doing it? Just a question that is clicking in my head, It's because most people see financial literacy as a big achievement. Like, they don't see it as a necessity, and that is the reason why this video is coming up. Because I feel like if you understand where you stand and why it is important, you will put in more effort. Okay, I found out recently that most people want to do something, but they don't know where to start from, and that is one of the reasons why I'm consciously and intentionally building these videos, so that it will drive value back to you. Okay, so I will show you one secret that can literally change your life. Remember, like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment and say free money, free $300 per day. All right, I would like to see those comments. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So we all have big dreams, and we don't really have the right vehicle to take us to the destination where we have always wanted. But what if you know one thing that can give you wealth on autopilot? Like, what if you have an information that you can use and it can change your life? Wouldn't you like to use it? So now is the time for you to learn how to make the most with your little. That little you have, put it into good use. If you spend all you have every month, you're going to be in trouble. Trust me, I'm telling you just the truth. Okay? You should learn how to make the most with your little. Make that tough and hard decision right now. Like, sit down and say, I am going to cut down on XYZ. I'm no longer going to do ashwebi. I'm not going to buy these expensive shoes anymore for the next 3 months, 4 months, so that I can put this money into good use. Alright, so sometimes you have to make that decision for you to get like a headway to your destination. Alright, so the important thing is I need you to learn how to start earning money, how to start saving, and how to start investing money. The reason is simple. It's for your future, for your tomorrow. So you don't have a tough tomorrow. I need you to have a better tomorrow, okay? So if you start right now to start investing, like you start saving to invest just 20% of your monthly income, you will retire earlier than your peers. Trust me. So one of my stocks, which is Upstart, I just recently noticed something. Upstart had gone down to as low as $32. So I saw that as an opportunity, and I quickly bought up to, I think, 38 to 40 shares, about 38 shares. Yeah, about 38 shares. I quickly purchased it, and that cost me about $1,216. Like, I grabbed everything, like with the money I had on me. And actually I wanted to use the money for, I think, dividends, but I decided to do something different. So I just put it in the Upstart, and honestly, in between that 2 weeks and last week, it just grew from $32 to $40. Like, because this is money I still want to use to do something else, so I just literally moved the money out. Like, I sold the shares and I made instantly $304. Like, I still added it to my $1,216, and I have used it to purchase my dividends. Like, that is where constantly putting money, like if every month you map out a certain amount, that this money, I'm going to use this money to invest in XYZ shares. This is having a clear-cut plan on what you're going to do. Like, if you have a plan, you're not going, even when you see an opportunity, you cash in on the opportunity and you move on. This is an opportunity most people do not even know that they exist. Like, some people even caught it when it was like $31 and all that. But the truth is, some people are still living it. They want it to get to $50, because at $50 they would be making like $18. So you can see, if I waited small, maybe I will have more. But I wanted it to be a short-term thing for me, because I wanted to put in the money into my dividend. So this is one thing I feel people should start learning, how to accumulate wealth. And I didn't start like this. I started literally with like $10 or so. But the truth is that now I have grown. So I want to grab your hand and show you how you can start with your very little. It's not really about how much you're going to put in or how many shares you're going to purchase. For those who can afford it, it's fine. But if you cannot afford it, no problem. Start small. Start with the low risk stocks, and then you can start from there. The good thing is, if you're ready to get on board, you can join our community. Okay, in our community we do trainings. We show you what we have done that has given us results, so you can do it and get that same exact result. Simple. Like, you're not going to start doing trial and error. No, there's a working system where you can get in and you see results like in 30 days. And that's like the major thing that gives me joy, and that is why I want you to learn. So there is trainings, there are ebooks, there is a support group that we have, and then you have a financial plan. So every month as it's ending, as you're taking care of all your bills, you have a clear-cut plan on what you're going to do with your money. You're not going to change it, you're going to stick to the rule. Do you even know that if you invest 35% of your income every month, you just take out 35%, you will get to your goal doing almost nothing. Like that expenses you run every month, like in the next couple of months and years, you see yourself not putting you will not even use your salary anymore. Like the dividends and the capital gains you'll be getting will be able to take care of all your living expenses and help you to retire early. So, but right now you have not even considered investing or saving to invest. This particular video is coming timely. Okay, it is coming timely because I want you to start with the low risk ETFs. Like you don't even need to get on board with the ones I'm doing. You can get on board with the simple one that every month you will see your dividends coming in. Every quarter you're seeing your dividends coming in. You see there's capital growth because you're working for the long term. So it's not about right now, it's about looking at the next 1 year, the next 2 years, the next 5 years. So some of them can give you up to 12% or even more annual returns. That's so much. Like if you keep reinvesting that value back, you will see that in the next 5 years you'll be talking of preparing to retire because you have a plan and you have your goal in front of you, and the other things you'll be able to have time to do. You can't you can't work 24 hours of your time all year, every single year, all your life. Like it's not possible. That is why this video is very, very timely, and I do hope this video shares, opens your mind that so many things are going on in the space and you are just not aware of it. And if you're aware of it, that's beautiful. Stick to your plan, stick to your goal, and get to your destination. So if at this point you have not yet subscribed, I hope this video you learned something, you found it blessing to your life, and you found it valuable. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, like this video, and please drop a comment and say I learned something. And I'll be glad if you share this video with your friends. Let more people see this video and learn that there are things they can do, and it doesn't matter. You can start in your 20s. That's actually the best time to start. Like now I'm going to kickstart for my children. Like you don't have to wait for anything at all. Just start now. Do not forget to subscribe, and we have a lot of other videos. Please binge watch on them. All right, so there's so many videos on budgeting, financial crisis, how to start from zero, how to invest in the stock market step by step, even how to open your brokerage account. Every single video is there. Please get on board. I have shared even some business ideas, and this coming month of July we'll be doing a lot more on side hustle, some ideas of the things you're going to do that will bring in money to the table. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.